In a world flooded with information, how do you stand out? How do you become the go-to source for exclusive news that everyone trusts? Today, we will unravel the secret to becoming an exclusive news powerhouse. Get ready to revolutionize your approach and set yourself apart. To get exclusive news, you must first understand your competition. Study existing news sources, which include newspapers, websites, TV channels, and identify their coverage gaps, the story they miss. This is where you will find opportunity. Next, let's talk about investigative journalism. Exclusive news often emerges from deep, thorough investigations. It is about asking the tough questions and following the leads no one else is pursuing. Building strong sources is key. Nurturing relationship with insiders, whistleblowers, and experts. They can provide you with valuable leads and exclusive information. Data is a gold mine. Learn to analyze data effectively. Often, exclusive stories hide within numbers, waiting to be uncovered. Don't underestimate the power of crowdsourcing. Engage your audience on social media. Encourage them to share their experiences and tips. Sometimes, your most exclusive stories come from this community. Accuracy is paramount. Verify your information rigorously. Exclusive news loses its impact if it's not credible. Now, let's talk about your newsroom. Foster a culture that values exclusivity. Encourage your team to think outside the box, to challenge conventional narratives. Lastly, be ready to act swiftly when a breaking story emerges. Exclusive news often requires immediate action to maintain its exclusivity. Bear this in mind. Becoming an exclusive news source is about dedication, determination, and the relentless pursuit of the truth. It is about understanding your audience, building relationships, and seizing opportunities. Now, armed with these insights, it is your turn to redefine journalism and make your mark. Go out there, be exclusive, and let the world hear you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.